Hey, my name is Sandra and I'm with 2A Direct. Today I have the newest Motorola 4-watt radio. This is the R2 two-way radio. It comes with the radio, the battery, the belt clip, the antenna, the power cord, and the charger. So let's build this together. I find it easier to add the belt clip before adding the battery to the radio. So if you want to add it, this is what I suggest doing. And to do this, you'll pair up the belt clip to the part in the back. It has a slot, and you have to raise the belt clip a little bit in the back, and then you'll hear a click and it's inserted. To add the radio to the battery, we're going to line it up, and once you see that the battery and the radio are lined up and snug, you can slide the battery up until you hear a click. The antenna gets added at the top, and we'll want to turn it clockwise, but not too tight so we don't strip the inside. For the charger, we'll attach the adapter here, and this does have a clip inside, so if you end up getting an extended battery, you can switch it and it will fit that as well. So as you can see here, it has slots so you can fit the battery and the radio here. You can also charge your spare batteries. Before you charge your radio, make sure it is turned off so you can extend the life of the battery. To check out the Motorola R2 radio and all of the accessories that we offer, visit our website at 2adirect.com or give us a call at 888-742-5893. Thanks guys! Don't forget to like and subscribe.